In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Adobe Express. This is a handy feature when you want to create new work while preserving your original project intact, or perhaps when you need to make variations of your design quickly without starting from scratch. Let's walk through the steps together so you can master this useful skill. To start, you'll need to navigate to Adobe Express. Once you're there, head over to the section labeled Your Stuff and then select Files. Here is where all your Adobe Express files are stored, giving you easy access to any project you've been working on. Once you're in the Files section, take a moment to locate the specific file or project you want to duplicate. As you hover your mouse over the desired file, you'll notice it becoming highlighted, which is a visual cue that you're in the right spot. Keep your cursor over the project you wish to duplicate. You'll see a small set of three dots appear, usually recognized as the More Options menu. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available. Go ahead and click on it. From this menu, you will see Copy To as one of the options. Click there, and you will be prompted to save a copy. This is where Adobe Express truly simplifies the process. At this point, you have the opportunity to give your duplicated file a new name. Although not necessary, naming your copy can be incredibly helpful, especially if you'll be creating several duplicates or wish to maintain an organized workflow. Simply click into the text field and type in your chosen name for the copy. If you'd prefer to keep the same name to remind you it's an exact duplicate, you can certainly leave it as is. After you save the copy, your new file will conveniently appear in the same Files or Projects list. This means there's no confusion about where your duplicated project has gone. It will be right there alongside the original file, ready for you to edit, share, or further duplicate as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a project in Adobe Express. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly effective. Whether you're managing a commercial portfolio or just keeping personal projects neatly organized, being able to duplicate files with such ease can save an immense amount of time and effort. So go ahead and use this feature to your advantage in future projects and enjoy the added efficiency it brings to your creative process. Thank you for joining us today, and happy creating!